Hey students, today we will see how to create a component parent and side components. So first we will choose any shape here. So let me put one rectangle here. So first I will put one rectangle here and then try to fill with some colors. Let's say I'm taking the red color and then I will press by clicking here I will press Shift F. So what Shift F will do? It will create auto layout and it will convert it into frame. Okay, and click on the frame and just scroll up. This is the button. How do we create components? So here we are getting the component. So how can we know that we will create the component? It will appear as a violet color. Then we will know that the frame has become a component. So now what we will do? We will try for the try to search for the frame one here. So we type in frame one like that. Okay, frame. So this is the frame. Just click here and press insert instance. Okay. Now we will see how the parent side component works. So any changes we will make into the parent component will reflect into the side component. See, let's say I am changing the color into blue. So this side component is also changing its colors. So this is a parent side component we can see in this tutorial. Okay, thank you.